Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved that beautiful box braid hairstyle using my natural hair. My natural hair is freshly washed, and yeah, we are about to create that beautiful hairstyle that you saw at the beginning of the video. I'm just here showing you guys my clean hair. I'm going in first of all with my Cantu leave-in conditioner. This is the argan oil leave-in conditioner, and if you've been watching a lot of my videos, you know that I love that leave-in conditioner. Next up, I'm just patting my hair using my fingers because the pintail comb was pulling on my strand. After patting the hair, I'm going to go ahead to just comb through with this white tooth comb to make sure that the hair is properly detangled and there's no obstacles. This is how I like to first of all moisturize my rubber bands before putting them in my hair. I found that just rolling my rubber band in oil first of all helps to create a nice slip, and the rubber band doesn't pull on my strands. I don't know if you guys understand it, but the point is I like to rub my rubber band in oil first of all before using it on my hair. So I'm just sectioning this part of my hair into two and going in there with my rubber band. I doubled the rubber band because I found that if I use just one rubber band, it's going to snap before the end of the week. So I doubled the rubber band and I'm just sectioning out this part of the hair. I'm going to do the same thing to this other side of the hair. I'm just using that rubber band to hold the roots of the hair in place before I now go ahead to weave the hairstyle. I'm going in also with this shine and jam edge control just to define my parts. I found that if I apply the shine and jam edge control on my roots, it helps to just define my parts and make it look really clean. Now that I've secured that, I'm just going with this my twist and lock gel from Cantu and just smooth it all over the length of my hair. This helps to define my curls at the end of the day. So I'm just going to comb through one more time with this my comb, and yeah, I will now begin to weave the hair. I think everyone I believe everyone knows how to weave their hair, but I'm just going to zoom in so you see how I'm weaving my hair. I sped up this part of the video, so I'm just weaving the hair as snug as possible just to make it look really neat. I found that if I take my time to weave my hair really well, the hair usually turns out really nice. Most times when I'm rushing, that's where my braids always turn out looking very messy. So I just tried as much as possible to make the braids as snug as possible. As you can see, the braids look really neat. So just try as much as possible to be very neat with your braiding. Now I'm just going to add a bit of that edge control on the tip of the braids just to prevent it from unraveling too quickly. So once that is done, I'm going to repeat the exact same process on the second side, applying my twist and lock gel first of all. Next up, I'm going to just make sure that everything is nice and smooth, comb through, and then begin to weave. I also sped up this part of the video because I just didn't want to bore you guys. So I'm weaving it as usual, and once that is done, I'm going to apply some edge control on the tip, and yeah, this is what the back looks like. All done, and we are on to the next row for our braids. So I went ahead to do some of the braids. I've gone far, as you can see. I'm just weaving as snug and as neatly as possible. I already put my rubber bands on the roots just to section out the hair, and yeah, this is what the second row looks like. We are all done with the second row. This whole procedure took me about 45 minutes. It's just because obviously I sped up this part of the video. That's why it looks like I moved really fast. I spent almost 1.5 hours achieving this hairstyle. So I'm now on the first half of the front section. I'm just repeating the same process. I also applied the edge control on my roots just to make it look very snatched. As you can see, my edges look snatched. I didn't want to use gel on my edges, so I decided to use that shine and jam edge control. So I'm still weaving as snug as possible. As you can see, guys, I left out my edges because I don't want to pull on my edges at all. I left out my edges and used the shine and jam edge control just to make it sleek and look really neat. So as I always say, please protect your edges, don't pull on your edges. Try as much as possible to just keep your edges out of all these hairstyles. Just save your edges, basically. That's the point I'm trying to make. So yeah, I'm just weaving, as you can see, applying my edge control on the tips of the braids just to make it look very neat. So we are done with this first half of the front. We are looking snatched. As you can see, my mouth is already looking one kind. I'm already feeling myself. So yeah, we're just going to tackle the last part of this hairstyle so we can wrap up this video. I'm spraying some water. I left my shower cap on just to prevent knotting. I saw somewhere on Instagram where someone said you can just try as much as possible to retain the moisture in your hair after washing to reduce how quickly your hair starts to knot. So I left that my shower cap on. I had to take it off because I was about to start braiding. I'm just combing through once again because I found that this particular side was already beginning to knot up again, but the knotting wasn't that bad. Now that I'm done combing through and detangling one more time, I'm now going to put my rubber band, and yeah, we will then begin to do our box braid. If you've been enjoying this video so far, if you've been enjoying this my box braid tutorial, please give the video a thumbs up so I know you're getting value. So I'm just weaving it again as usual, repeating the same process with my twist and lock gel and weaving the hair as snug as possible. Once I'm done with that, I'm also going to go ahead to put some of that edge control on the tip of the hair, and that's it. So guys, this is the final look. This is the final hairstyle. I spent about 1.5 hours trying to achieve this hairstyle, and this is what we have here. I carried the hair for like 2 weeks, and yeah, I love it. I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. Feel free to try out this hairstyle, and yeah, I think it's something you can easily rock in quarantine. It helps to prevent over manipulation, and yeah, it's just a nice way to give yourself rest in between wash days. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's tutorial. I hope you were able to pick a thing or two from this video. If you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you're watching right now and you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. It would be so nice to have you here. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, it means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.